We're at the Sheldon Art Galleries for the 6th annual Golf the Galleries exhibit. It's an interactive mini golf exhibit designed by local artists. We bring back Golf the Galleries because it's very popular within the community and we have people coming back every year to play. As you enter the galleries, the first golf hole you'll see is a tour of the factory right behind me by Dave Kish. And it's a factory that creates everything imaginable, and on the walls are items that are made within this factory that Dave has created. And next is Museumception by the City Museum, designed by True Mead and Angelina Brown. You will see items and elements from the museum that are highlighted within this golf hole. And then World Chess Hall of Fame has their golf hole, Sound Moves, which highlights the music-themed exhibit that's going on at the World Chess Hall of Fame right now. And then Charlie and the Chocolate Factory by Lit Shop. It's a golf hole designed by youth ages 10 to 16, featuring imagery from the book and the movie. And then you can play the hole Fly Fishing by father and son duo Wally and Jacob Hauk of Simon Studio. The theme of this golf hole is Missouri fly fishing, and it features handmade fishing nets and fishing lures. And next is If You Hit It, It's a Drum by Kelsey and Phil Jordan. This is a music-themed hole that actually creates sound if the ball hits areas just right. And the next golf hole has a completely different feel. It's completely black except for areas that are highlighted by black light. And the name of this hole is A Trip to the Moon by Paul Casey and Sarah Frost. And next is Anatomy of a House by Silas Cogshell. The golf hole is based on hauntings of a house and what makes a house feel haunted. So it creates an atmosphere of unease. And our ninth and final hole is A Day at the Dog Park by Kelsey and Phil Jordan, which celebrates a dog's favorite outing at the dog park. This exhibit is a great way to interact with art that you typically would not be able to in an art gallery. This is also the fundraiser for the galleries to help with our programming to bring in artist workshops and artist talks. Every year we have thousands of people come and visit this exhibit, and I hope you can join us this year. Golf the Galleries runs through August the 6th, and you can find more information at thesheldon.org.